welcome to the Disney Destiny. We are finally on our cruise after waiting a very long time. We just got into the room, and so as you can see, I am doing a room tour. But let me show you some of the little kind of touches that we have here on the Disney Destiny that I really love so far. If you don't know, Disney Destiny is a brand new ship. It actually just set sail in November of 2025. It is December 11th at the time we're recording of this video. So this is one of the first sailings on this brand new ship. And me and my wife are absolutely blown away. But you know, it is the theming is heroes and villains, and Disney really did hit it out of the park with this ship. But for the room review, we are in a Deluxe family Oceanview. So we don't have a balcony. We're not on an interior. This is the ocean views. We love the ocean views. As I start to show you what the closets look like, we love the ocean views on Disney Cruise Line because they're pretty much like the perfect mix from a pricing standpoint. So when you come into your room, the first thing you have here is going to be your closet. So here's another one. I'm not going to open them up just because of the way I'm doing the video. It's a little awkward, but you just wait because you'll see there's plenty of other storage that we will show you within the room. The other thing I really love about Disney is they do have the separate bathroom areas. So right here we have the first one, and then as you come over here we have the shower area. So if you've been on Disney Wish or Disney Treasure, it's a similar layout, almost identical, honestly, from what I could see so far in the staterooms. And then here we picked the Hercules theme. Again, they actually have a Hercules show. A lot of heroes on this ship. The main statue on the ship is the Black Panther. And then there's also a lot of villains, which is really cool, which is something you really don't see that often. So we'll bring you here. The other cool thing about Disney staterooms is that if you haven't watched any of my other videos, they are full queen beds for the first one anyway. Then we do have, that's going to pull down, and then you have another bed up there. Have a lot of storage over here in the main vanity area. Another cool thing, just tip and trick, and I'm going to be doing a complete kind of overview of our experience on the Disney Destiny, but one of the cool things so far is that I was able to surprise my wife with champagne from the cake bake shop in Disney World, which I thought was really cool. I'll give you a little view, nothing fancy yet because we haven't left the port yet, but honestly, this is why we love the Oceanview rooms. Not every porthole is like this, but you could see if you pick the right floor, like this is more than enough for us. It's just enough. We don't need the balcony, but because we don't feel claustrophobic in the room. We could see all the destinations that we're going to perfectly. And then speaking of that other storage, this is something that I've actually never seen before. You could see here we have a whole lot of storage here in the Disney Destiny. I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that these are going to be a little bit longer. So this is a 5-night cruise. If you've been on Wish, Wish does a lot of 3 to 5 nights, mostly 3s though, right on the weekends. These might be geared for families who are coming, you know, for a little bit longer, and we really love it. So that's the room review. Stick around, be sure to subscribe to my channel as I have my full, like I said, overview on our experience on this cruise. And until next time, I will talk to you guys soon.